Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to enable Secure DNS in Brave browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Secure DNS helps protect your online privacy by encrypting your DNS requests. When enabled, Brave uses DNS over HTTPS, also known as DOS, to prevent your DNS queries from being early monitored by your internet service provider. So let's get started. First open Brave browser and then click on this one triple line menu in the top right corner and scroll down and click on these settings. After that, select privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, click on security. Now under advanced section you will find use secure DNS. Turn this one toggle switch on. After that, you will find select DNS provider. By clicking on this one drop down menu, you can leave it to OS default or you can choose a custom one from Next DNS, Cloudflare, Clean Browsing, Google DNS, Open DNS. You can choose any, all are very good. For example, I have chosen Google for best speed. After that, you can close it. There is no need to save this one settings. That's all about this video. Bye.